Hey guys, Hell's Enterprise here, down here at the lumber yard. I want to do a video on the chainsaw I'm using. Got the 450 Rancher by Husqvarna, 20-inch baller. Leave a new chain, it's dull as fuck. I'll sharpen it later. But the good saw. I'm not the only guy that runs this saw, but it looks like this thing broke off. It has a hole in the side of the exhaust, so it is a little loud, but a little bit of noise never hurt anybody. Now this might hurt somebody. It got no kickback. But I'm gonna fire up. She's still warm. I was just using her to cut wood right there. I just gassed it up and decided to make a video. So I'm gonna try to prop this camera somewhere. I need a tripod. I'll try to do it the best I can, guys. I was leaning on a piece of wood. Like I said, she's already warm, so it's probably gonna fire right up. I would do it standing up, but then the camera wouldn't see me, so I'm gonna hold it to the ground. Like I said, she runs good. Definitely loud with that hole in the exhaust.